Make sure the bearing housing is fully tightened and the shaft does not turn. This point is known as zero end clearance. There are two methods for setting the proper end clearance. In the first method, loosen the bearing housing and insert a feeler gauge that is the corresponding thickness to the required end clearance between the rotor and idler faces. Then tighten the bearing housing until there is a slight drag when moving the feeler gauge between the rotor and idler faces. For the second method, use a flexible tape measure and make a mark on the bracket. Then, make a second mark on the bracket and bearing housing at the distance noted in the technical service manual. Next, loosen the bearing housing until the bearing housing mark aligns with the first mark on the bracket. Confirm the proper end clearance with a feeler gauge. Once end clearance is set, tighten the two set screws in the face of the bearing housing.